Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unbox this one right here. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess and I do skincare and makeup reviews, try on, and sometimes haul. And if you guys are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so that you guys are notified whenever I upload new videos to my channel. And if this is like a good and great video for you guys, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Now I'm going to open this one. So I already did my skincare preparation, like a skincare routine for me, like a morning routine. So this is a Hydrocolloid acne patch by the brand of Lopsx. I don't know how do you say that, just tell me on the comment section, but it is a Lopsx, and I've got this on Amazon and it is a $11.99, and I don't know how much is the tax for it, but if you guys are Amazon Prime, you guys have Amazon Prime, and it is like you can get it like on the next day. And then for sure, if you guys are wanting to have other stuff like $25 worth of your stuff from Amazon, it is free shipping and plus tax for sure. So this one, it is visibly reduced pimple redness in days, that's what it claims. And it says here, say goodbye to acne, and it does have 12 millimeters and 8 millimeters, meaning they have two sizes in here, as you guys can see on the front of this package. And it does have 108 clear patches here, and then the benefits are here also. It says here, easy peeling, effective healing, reduces acne, absorbs secretion, invisible, breathable, isolation, and waterproof. So meaning, I guess you can use them whenever you have makeup on. And before I use acne patches every night, like overnight. Especially now I have this right here because it is monthly, you guys know. And at the back of it, it does have Lopsx Acne Patch. It is a cleaner way to visibly remove acne without irritation. And the ingredients are here also. And it does have salicylic acid and Melaleuca alternifolia leaf oil. This one, it is like kind of basically a type of tea tree oil, like an Australian tea tree oil. As you guys know, that one is helping like an acne, will soothe your like aggravated part of your skin right here, especially like the acne section, the epicenter of your acne too. Vitis vinifera, it is a common grapevine. It is a light oil and it helps your acne to heal, and especially on oily combination skin, antibacterial also. And it does have how to use it, just like clean and dry the area, especially your whole face, and then pick one piece of the film and stick on the target area like I have right here. And then once it absorbs, exudate and turns white, remove and replace as needed. And then caution, it does have in here for external use only, and it does have an expiration date right here, which is March 2024. So now I'm going to open it. I like it because it is like cardboard, so it's much more of a nice one, not like the plastic ones. I don't have like against to that one, so I just like it because it is cardboard. Have three packages here, and it says it does have 108 patches here, and they are like this. Now I'm going to open one. So if you guys are hearing that noise, it is raining right now. It is heavy rain. especially it's December, it's a rainy day, it's in US. So it does have this film, so they have like a two-sided together. So let me see, let me find my mirror and check how big is this pimple right here, this acne right here. It's been itchy for days. So for this one, I'm going to use the 12 millimeters just to make sure to secure the epicenter and the surface outside of this pimple. So I will try my best to not to wrinkle this patch, because I'm really bad at doing this. So now you guys can see. And then press it. So far it is like this. It's moving whenever and I'll be back for this tonight and see how it is. I'm not like if you guys are that kind of person who are satisfied looking a nasty thing, then you guys are on the right place. But if you guys are not into those things, then skip this video and find a different video on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'll be back with this later on and update you guys. So for now, I am just going to put this everything back in the packet. So hi guys, I'm back and it's already 9 p.m. and I did put this one around 11:50ish, something like almost 12 noon. So it's like what, 9 hours already. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna just zoom it in so that you guys can see it. So now I'm going to take it off like I said a while ago, and I'm already tired. It's actually our bedtime soon. The kids are already sleeping, so I'm gonna use alcohol just to make sure that my hands are clean. I already washed them, but because dealing with this pimple. By the way, this one, it is type of acne, which is a pustule. So it's like a pimple that had a clog hair follicle in it, and the buildup of oil, and it is clogged, and then it went have a bacteria in there, so it is a little bit infected, the surroundings of it, especially as you guys can see there's a white in it. So now I'm going to grab this, and then we grab a wipe, because I'm going to take off my makeup after this, and then just wash up and get ready to go to bed. So now I'm just gonna put some stuff here because it is really like mess in here right now, because I've been filming non-stop. And now I'm going to take this off, so I'm gonna scoot a little bit so that you guys can see how it is. So if this is like kind of nasty for you guys, so just skip this video and find another video that you wanted to watch. But this one, it is just being real. so this is what it looks like. So for this one, I am going to because it opened the inside, the middle of it, so I'm going to do See, now it's open. For this acne patches, they have this they have salicylic acid, and it does have like the grapevine oil, and they have like a tea tree oil here too to make it like healed or suit the acne surface in it. So I'm going to put another one just in case, because this acne patches, like mostly the general acne patches, they are very hygienic, and it prevents you to scratch your acne and not like to poke it like I just did. I took it off, now I'm like poking it non-stop. So I'm going to wash my face. I'm gonna take off my makeup and then wash my face and do my night routine and do my skincare routine, and I'll be right back and put another one of this. So here, there. So I'm back, and it is currently 10 at night, and I'm already put the skincare products, my nighttime routine one. So now I'm going to put another one of this, which is like a new plain one. It's an open one, so I'm going to try to seal it, because I don't trust myself. I might gonna scratch it while I'm sleeping or whatever. So now it is sealed. I am going to try to update you guys tomorrow. And now it is already like in the afternoon. So now I'm going to get rid of this. So it does have a little bit of thing in here, and as you guys can see, my pimple, it is really like almost like healed. So I think I'm going to cover it up again, because I'm going to wear makeup today, and I don't want to put like any nasty stuff in there, especially makeup, because makeup clogs the pores. So I'm going to cover it up with a new acne patch. Of course, I'm going to use this one still, and I will do my outro after. So I'll be right back, guys. So now I'm done with the skincare, and I'm going to put another one of this acne patch. And of course, I always say I'm going to do an outro. I'm always forgetful nowadays. So because it is not that big anymore, so I'm going to use the 8mm now. And there. So it's not really like that visible, except for that wrinkled one that I made. So I'll be back with the outro. So now I'm done with the makeup. I have the patches here, or the patch. If you guys wanted to check this out, I'm going to link everything down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.